Ayo. So I'm actually going to do a different kind of video today. I'm going to show you a couple spam emails and teach you, hopefully, how to detect them. So this first one, as you can see, the sender is from TikTok. We all know what TikTok is. Plenty of people have that installed. So wouldn't surprise me if people would click on this email. So a couple things to look for. First of all, the message. So, this is like a pretty evident spam at this point. Either way, maybe you just don't read this. Maybe you just assume, hey, it says TikTok, so this must be official. Second thing to look for is wherever it's directing you. Obviously, this isn't a TikTok link. Just says alexabliss.fun. Again, this is a pretty evident sign that this is a spam. So, of course, obviously, never click on any links from suspect emails like this. That's the first mistake people make. So, a couple ways that we can avoid this is have a good email provider that has a good spam filter. So in this case, we're using Gmail. It already detected this as spam and automatically put it in my spam folder. So I never even saw this. And of course, didn't need to see it. Something else to look at is who this was sent by and who it was sent to. So we can see, all right, well, it was from TikTok, right? If we read further, we can see it's from noreply@sharepointonline.com. So last I checked, it's called TikTok, not SharePoint Online. So this is another sign that this is fake. So here we can tell that this wasn't only sent to us. So obviously this isn't something that came directly from the app, and this is another clear sign that this is spam. Something else to look for is the embedded images. You can see like this link is broken. Looks like there should be an image here that's also broken, as well as here. You can see the images attached. So this is actually a pretty crappy one. Looks like they attached the images here as opposed to just like embedding them in the email themselves. So yeah, all in all, this is all spam. So go ahead and move on to the next one. I don't really think I need to say anything about this. This is like compare rates from only $1 a day. Images are broken again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If we all want to look further, we can see, okay, well, it's from Sharper Insurance. I don't know who that is, but if we keep reading, the email that it was sent from was juliopunk24@gmail. Now, if a business is going to send you an email at all, 99% of the time it'll be no reply at business. So this is obviously doesn't match, so we can just go ahead and ignore this one. Now, this one's a little better than the first that we looked at. So I'm going to let you guys try to figure out what's wrong with this. If you want to go ahead and pause the video, take a look, come back. All right, so if you haven't figured it out yet, we can take a look over at the top. We'll see that it's from Lending Service, and the sender is, again, email that doesn't match the company. Something else, we see that it's from Lending Service, references a different company here, Spirit Lenders. Now, this probably doesn't mean much, but again, it's all about the consistencies in the email, and right now, none of this is consistent. This is pretty well crafted. Doesn't seem to be any typos, which is something else that we should be looking for. This looks pretty, yeah, cool. There's an address here. Yeah, this looks pretty decent. Let's take a look at who it was sent to, though. Now, here is something. It has our email, but our email is Gmail, not an @AOL. So, again, this is another sign that this is just spam. So just with quick emails I wanted to show. I mean, I don't know how helpful this was. Hopefully it was. If anybody wants to maybe see some more examples, some harder ones potentially, like social engineering emails, direct phishing, I think it is what it's called, like spear phishing. Yeah, let me know. Alright, bye-bye now.